Python is an open source programming language. To install it, you have to go to the browser and you type python.org. Once you are on the official website of Python, you can go to Windows if you are using Windows operating system, and you take what corresponds to your computer. In this case, I will take 64-base executable installer. After, I will open and just execute it. It is very important to activate this add Python to path, and we are going to see why later. So I chosen, I install, I say yes. Now that the setup was successful, I can close it. You can write Python code in the terminal, but the problem is that it will be very boring. There are something that is called IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment, which help you to write Python code in an aesthetic way. One of the most popular IDE for Python is Pycharm. So I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm. So you just have to type Pycharm, then you go on the official site of Pycharm. So when I'm on the official website of Pycharm, I can download the free version, which is this one. I click download and I download the free version that we are going to use in this tutorial. When the download is completed, I can open the file and I can execute it. Very simple. I say yes. I just say next. I want to add the launcher to the path, so you can take this and you just say next, install. When the installation is finished, I click on finish. Now I can go here and open Pycharm. Do not import setting. I click OK. I confirm, continue or not. I can skip the remaining to default. And now I can create a new Pycharm project. I will put this name, Hello World. Create. So I can close this. Now I can set the font of my scripture in the code. So I go to file, I go to settings, then I go to font. In editor I go to font, then I can increase the font size here. I can put, for example, 25, and this is a preview of how my code will look. So I can take OK. I come back here in the project, I come on the folder on the left, I right click and I say new, Python file. I call it hello world project. It will be our very first Python project, and I press enter. So you see up here it has created a new Python file. In Python there are many built-in functions that you don't have to code them from scratch. Now I want to show you one of the most used built-in function, which is the print function. It allows you to display anything on your screen. Print, I put double quote, hello world. I'll explain you in the next tutorial why we put this double quote. But first of all, let's run this and see the output. So I go up here on run and I choose this run. I choose the project hello world, and you see in the terminal it is printed hello world.